In this video, I will show you how scenes and prefabs work in Godot. First things first, let's make a few folders. I will try to structure the folder layout similar to Unity, so let's go ahead and make some folders. We'll start with the scenes folder, then we'll add prefabs, images, and scripts. We can go ahead and put the default icon image into the images folder. Okay, so let's try and make this cube here that I have in this scene a prefab. And the way we would do that is to actually save it as its own scene. So we'll do save scene. We will call it player and put it in the prefabs folder, and we can go ahead and rename this root node to player just like that. So this scene technically is the player scene, which kind of works like a prefab. So to actually put this into the main scene, we'll have to create another scene that will be the main scene. So let's go to scene, click new scene, 3D, save this scene as the main scene. And for organization purposes, we will put the main scene into the scenes folder. So we will go up one directory here, go into scenes, and save the main scene here. Let's go ahead and add a camera so we can see our object. Let's go ahead and add a light as well. And to add the player prefab into the main scene here, all you have to do is click on Node 3D, right click, or select Node 3D, right click, instantiate child scene, and select the prefab player scene. And just like that, you'll notice that the player is now part of the main scene. Let's rename this node here main, since that is what we called this scene. Control S to save, and make sure that you have the camera positioned away from the game object so we can see it when we render the scene. Go ahead and press play and you'll see the cube on the screen. And of course, just like a prefab from Unity, you can go ahead and create more of them if you wanted to. So we can right click main, instantiate another one just like that. And now there are two of them. Let's go ahead and move it so we can see that there's two. Move the camera over, and there we see two game objects. Now, of course, we could go back into the player scene, make adjustments to the player. So let's go ahead and add another mesh, just like that. And instead of a cube, maybe we can do something else, like a prism, make like a little house there. Control S to save. And if we go back to the main scene, the changes will be reflected across all instances. I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.